In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Google Sheets with Microsoft Excel so your data stays updated automatically. Whether you're managing reports, tracking numbers for a project, or you simply want everything to sync without doing extra manual work, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheet and head over to the File menu. From here, click on Share, then choose Publish to Web. Once the window opens, select the worksheet that contains your data. In many cases, this will be your first sheet, but choose whichever one you want to sync. After that, click the Publish button, confirm the action, and make sure the setting under Published Content and Settings is checked. This tiny checkbox ensures your data refreshes automatically, so anytime you update the Google Sheet, Excel can get those changes too. Now go ahead and copy the link that appears. Next, open your Excel file, the one where you want the Google Sheets data to show up. Go to the Data tab and click on From Web. If you don't see that option immediately, click Get Data, choose from other sources, and then select From Web. Paste the Google Sheets link into the box and hit OK. Excel will pull the data and show you a preview so you can get a quick look at what's coming in. Now click on the Transform Data button to open Power Query. Here, you'll notice that your first row contains your actual column titles, so let's convert it into proper headers. To do that, just click on Use First Row as Headers, and Excel will automatically format your data into a clean, structured table that's ready to use. Once everything looks good, click Close and Load, and Excel will import the data directly into your spreadsheet. Once you've completed these steps, your Google Sheets and Excel file are officially connected. Anytime you update your Google Sheet, you can simply refresh the Excel file and see the latest changes appear instantly. It's also a good idea to save your Excel file after setting everything up so your connection stays linked and ready to refresh whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to link Google Sheets with Excel quickly, smoothly, and without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with anyone who might be dealing with the same problem. Why not make someone's day easier?